Hello, my name is Kaylee, and today I'm going to introduce you to oxyanions and their structures, or their bonds connectivity. The importance of oxyanions is that they are essential to our regular lives because we use them in everyday services. For instance, we use nitrate in fertilizers, sulfite in food preservatives, and chlorate in pesticides. The learning goals that I wish to achieve through this video would be to explain what an oxyanion is, to show y'all how to tell if a molecule is an oxyanion, and how to figure out the names of oxyanions. So some of the basic sciences for oxyanions. An oxyanion is an anion with at least one oxygen atom bonded to another non-metal element. Oxyanions can be formed by the majority of elements. You can tell if an element is an oxyanion by the suffix of a molecule. Molecules ending in "ite" or "ate" are oxyanions. To figure out how you should name an oxyanion, you first write the root of a non-oxygen element. You then determine if it should be given "ite" or "ate" depending on how many oxygen atoms are involved. The molecule with fewer oxygens is given "ite" and the one with more gets "ate." For example, sulfite and sulfate. So first I'm going to write the root of sulfur. And so we can see here that here is the root of sulfur. And here is the suffix. So like I said before, "ite" goes to the one with fewer oxygens. We can see here that sulfite only has 3, whereas sulfate has 4. However, if more than one anion exists for an oxyanion, then there's another system to name them. For example, hyperchlorite and perchlorate. It's hypochlorite. Hypochlorite and perchlorate. So these two anions look like ClO ClO4. So we can see here that hypochlorite and perchlorate, they get something before the root of the element. The one with fewer oxygens gets hypo, and the one with more gets per. And then again, here's the suffix of chlorine, or not the root of chlorine, and then again, same as before, here is the suffix, and the rules kind of apply as the same before. The one with fewer gets "ite" and the one with more gets "ate." Oxyanions are essential in everyday life. It is important to know about them because they are used to help our society function through the production of essentials such as fertilizers, pesticides, as well as preservatives. In this video, we learned what an oxyanion is, how to tell if a molecule is an oxyanion, how oxyanions are named, and how oxyanions are important to us. And here are my sources. Thank you.